Hey, what's up guys? In this short video, I will show you 7 ways to fix the Reddit application if it's not working properly on your phone. Over the last few years, Reddit has put a lot of effort into advertising its official Reddit application. But like most of the applications, the Reddit app doesn't always work perfectly. Maybe images or videos not loading properly for you, or you can't leave the comments, or you can't post anything. Whatever the issues, there are few different ways to fix the application and get it running smoothly. So I'm going to share 7 ways to fix the Reddit application on your phone. So buckle up and let's dive into the video. So the first way to fix the Reddit application is to stop it by the force. Yes, this is the simple fix and also the best one. When you close the Reddit application, it does not actually shut down. It keeps running in the background. This means that any glitch you are facing will keep running too. To fix this, you will need to fully close the application and start it again. So to do this, open the settings of your phone, scroll down and go to the applications. Here you will see all the applications. Just scroll down and you will see the Reddit application as well. Open it. And here you will see the option of force stop. Just tap it and then tap OK, and that's it. Now go to home and wait for a few moments and then again start the Reddit application. This will restart the application, which can often fix any glitches that may have been causing problems. And if the previous fix didn't work for you, try this next one. Log out of your account and then log in. Reddit app sometimes lose its connection with your account. This usually ends with the app freezing or other issues, since it can't figure out whether you are a real user or not. Or sometimes Reddit ban any account without any notification. So when you log out and try to log in, if your account banned, it will not allow you to log in. So by creating new account will fix your application. To do this, open the Reddit application, go to your profile from bottom right profile icon, and on top you will see your username above your profile photo. And here you will see logout icon on right of your username. Tap it and then tap logout. And after that, log in again and see if this fixes your application. And third way or method you can try to fix your application is clearing Reddit app cache. Cache is actually space any application uses to store its data that it will need to use it again in the future. But there is one major issue with this. If Reddit application runs into corrupted data and stores it into cache, it can cause problems. So whenever you open application, that corrupt data will make issues with your Reddit application. And luckily, there is one simple solution for it. For that, go to settings and scroll down and go to applications. Now here again, scroll down and open Reddit. Scroll down and go to storage. Now here you will see clear cache option. Just tap it to clear your Reddit app cache. Then go to home and open the application again. And check if your issues with Reddit application have been fixed or not. The next fix is to uninstall your Reddit application and install it again. If last 3 fixes didn't work for you, then try this. Actually, uninstalling Reddit application and installing it will clear out every bit of data, making sure that any outdated or corrupted bits get replaced. It will also give you fresh, updated and the latest version of the application, which can often come with the bug fixes. So to do this, go to settings and scroll down and go to applications. Here scroll down and go to Reddit application. And here you will see the option to uninstall the application. Tap it and uninstall the Reddit app. Then go to home and open the Play Store and again install the Reddit application. And the 5th fix is to restart your phone. If the previous fixes didn't work for you, then there is a chance that issues is coming from your phone, not the Reddit application. In this case, you should restart your device. Restarting will not only refresh every application on the device, but also your phone's own hardware and software. Then open the Reddit application and try again. After restarting your phone, if you still face issues with the Reddit application, then check your internet connection. Reddit app needs a stable internet connection. If you are using a spotty signal, the app might stop responding altogether. Try to switch to data if you are using Wi-Fi, or to Wi-Fi from data. See the signals of Wi-Fi or get closer to your Wi-Fi router to test. And if you are using school or the library connection to use Reddit, there is high chances that they block the Reddit. So try other internet connections. And last but not least, there is also possibility that problem is not coming from your phone, application or internet connection. Instead, the problem could be coming directly from Reddit's servers. It's rare, but if the Reddit servers are down, you are not going to be able to use Reddit either from app or website. So then, no matter which fix you try, none of them will work if Reddit servers are down. Simply open the redditstatus.com and check the current server status. This page tracks outages and lets users know if anything is broken. Check this page if your application suddenly stops working and you can't fix it. So these were the 7 ways to fix your Reddit application if it's not working, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like this video and also share your thoughts in the comments below. And if I missed any fix, I will be thankful to you if you put that in the comment to help everyone. So thanks for watching, take care, signing off.